Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami sitting crane. What you want to do first is fold your paper in half both ways. Now turn your paper over and fold it in the diagonals. Now collapse your paper onto a diamond like so. Now fold and unfold the bottom left and right edges to the center line. Next, fold the top corner down using the creases you just made as guides. Lift the bottom corner of the top flap and fold it upward along the creases you just made. And do the same on the back. Now fold the top right flap over to the left. Then repeat the same fold on the other side. Then fold the two flaps upwards. Now fold the top flap's left edge down to meet the bottom edge. Then fold the top flap's bottom edge to meet the triangle's left edge. Then fold the flap you just made in half by bringing its top edge to meet the bottom edge. Then unfold the entire wing flap downward. And then fold up along the back edge. Fold the wing flap back up. Fold the wing flap in half so that its top edge meets the bottom edge. And repeat the same on the back. Mount and fold the top left flap in half, then repeat on the other side. Now fold the tip of the left flap down to form the crane's beak. Then open their wings out. There you have your own origami sitting crane.